The Addmotor Spytan X Reverse Electric Trike is a futuristic three-wheeled electric vehicle designed to deliver comfort, stability, and adventure for riders seeking a smooth and reliable experience. Powered by a 750-watt rear-drive motor, the trike can reach speeds of up to 15 miles per hour while maintaining excellent balance and control. It features a powerful 48-volt 20-amp-hour Samsung battery that provides an impressive range of up to 90 miles on a single charge, making it suitable for long rides and recreational activities such as traveling around golf courses. One of its standout features is the advanced tilting steering mechanism combined with double front suspension, which improves handling during turns and absorbs shocks from rough terrain to create a more comfortable ride. The Spytan X is also tailored for golf enthusiasts, as it includes a golf stand bag carrier and a mounted sand bottle for added convenience on the course. Safety is another major advantage of this electric trike, thanks to its triple hydraulic disc brake system that ensures dependable stopping power and enhanced rider confidence. In addition, the trike's foldable design makes transportation and storage much easier, allowing it to fit conveniently into an SUV for travel or compact storage at home. Combining futuristic styling, long-range performance, comfort-oriented engineering, and practical features, the Addmotor Spytan X stands out as a versatile electric trike suitable for leisure rides, outdoor adventures, and golf-related use. With all these premium features included, the Spytan X is competitively priced at $2,599, making it an appealing option for riders looking for a unique and capable electric mobility solution.